Hello, English 1 students. I hope you're having a great weekend. I'm just making this video to briefly review over your assignments that we're going to start the week with. As you can see over here, week 5 remote learning journals are due on Friday, and then you've got 2 assignments due on Wednesday, and then on Wednesday I'll post the 2 assignments that are due Friday. Let's take a look at classwork. As usual, week 5 remote learning journals are right here. Same set of slides. Aim for a 5-minute journal or about 6 to 7 sentences. Make sure you're using proper grammar. Don't use abbreviations. Your should not be you are. Okay. And here are your week 5 prompts. You've got 2 prompts for each day. Let's take a look back at our assignments. So the assignments this week look pretty similar. So it's an article and questions. So let's take a look at the directions. Read the article, which we'll look at on the Google Doc, and then answer the 5 questions in 1 to 2 sentences each. So keep in mind you must answer all 5 questions in 1 to 2 complete sentences each in order to earn all points. Okay, if you don't do that properly, I will message you after you turn it in saying, hey, you need to fix this or that. I'll let you know specifically and you can return it in, okay, for the same amount of points. Alright, type your answers on a separate Google Doc. Let's go ahead and look at the article so you can kind of understand the format. Directions up here, just a little brief explanation. Taking care of ourselves is a part of becoming independent. This informational text explores some important self-care strategies and the benefits of practicing them. As you read, take notes about strategies for taking care of yourself and the possible benefits of those strategies. The article is here. It's not super long. And then your questions are at the end. So if you want to copy these onto a separate Google Doc, if that's easier for you, go ahead and do that. All right. That will be Article 1. And then Article 2, same directions. Okay, let's take a look at it. This is called Life Isn't Fair, Deal With It. It's a pretty interesting article, quite a funny read. Mike is a best-selling author and columnist, commonly recognized as an authority on the subject of leadership. He believes that leadership exists to disrupt mediocrity. As you read this opinion piece, take notes on the author's tone. Again, short article here with some different rules on why life isn't fair, and then your discussion questions at the end. Make sure you are hitting that 1 to 2 sentences for each. Complete sentences, guys. Start with a capital letter, end with a period. Make sure you've got commas. You know the drill. Write in a complete sentence. So these guys are both due on Wednesday for English 1 students, and then I will post 2 new assignments that will be due on Friday, also on Wednesday. As always, let me know if you have any questions, and I will speak to you guys soon.